if we talk about smart contracts, there's no way we can skip Ethereum. Ethereum is very important. And what is Ethereum? Ethereum is the second most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, founded by Vitalik Buterin and Gavin Wood in 2015. By the way, Gavin Wood left the team and he started his own blockchain called Polkadot. And today, Ethereum's market cap represents about 20% of the 1.1 trillion global crypto market. As I mentioned before, there are some distinct differences between Ethereum and the original crypto, Bitcoin. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum is intended to be much more than just a medium of exchange or a store of value. That's what Bitcoin does. Instead, Ethereum is a decentralized computing network built on blockchain technology worldwide and follows a set of rules called the Ethereum protocols. The Ethereum network is the foundation for communities, decentralized applications, we call it DApps all the time, organizations, and digital assets anyone can build and use. Sometimes we call this permissionless, right? Everybody can build it, everybody can use it. You can create an Ethereum account from anywhere, anytime, and explore a world of DApps or build your own. The core innovation is that you can do all this without trusting a central authority that could change the rules or restrict your access. It's most commonly known by investors for its native cryptocurrency, Ether, or we say ETH, and by developers for its use in blockchain and DeFi application development. The founder of Ethereum is Vitalik. He's a true opinion leader in the industry. I personally, read his blogs all the time, and I always learn things from his writing and insights. I had a chance to meet him in person, and I can tell he's super smart. He cares about technology, innovation, the growth of Web3 industry, and the most important, he cares about the community, the Web3 community, big time. So we're gonna spend the rest of time to learn about who is Vitalik and why he wanted to start Ethereum himself. Vitalik likes to play video games when he was young, super young, and his passion for World of Warcraft was crucial to his path to cryptocurrencies. A significant change in the game by Blizzard in 2010, which altered his favorite character's ability, and he complained a couple of times to the gaming company, but nobody cares, and that made him realize the pitfalls of centralized system. He wanted to create something decentralized. This experience indirectly led him to discover Bitcoin at the age of 17 and making the beginning of his journey in the crypto world. While initially skeptical about Bitcoin, Vitalik quickly realized its potential, huge potential, on the decentralization. He started writing for Bitcoin Weekly with very little pay. However, that little pay paid in Bitcoin. So if we put that little pay today, that's a big amount of money. And later, he started the Bitcoin magazine, and that gave him a very strong power, voice power in the community. But very soon, Vitalik noticed there are a lot of limitations in existing cryptocurrencies, which we're talking about like Bitcoin. They always designed for very specific use cases. So one cryptocurrency, one blockchain just for one use case. So that's why he mentioned about something like Ethereum, a platform with a Turing complete programming language. That's very important to overcome these limitations. Despite a lot of people have questions about this, oh, okay, so why you want to build very comprehensive blockchain and a very big platform? But later, his white paper on Ethereum gained tractions and leading to the platform's development. The build of Ethereum is not done, it's not finished. Actually, the Ethereum Foundation and Vitalik himself has a very long roadmap to keep the innovation of Ethereum. The latest development in Ethereum story is the transition to Ethereum 2.0, which aims to reduce energy consumption, transaction costs, and increase speed. That's all very important to any blockchain. And this involves moving from a proof of work to a proof of stake model, a significant step towards a more sustainable and efficient blockchain platform. So, what is a POW and what is a POS? I want to use very simple language to explain that. So, POW, proof of work, uses a competitive validation method to confirm transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. Participants solve complex mathematic puzzles to validate transactions and create new blocks. So POW is used by Bitcoin to regulate the creation of blocks and the state of the blockchain. And for the most time, we say, oh, we mine the tokens, right? Mine the Bitcoins. And you can imagine a big warehouse, thousands and thousands of like mining machines. So that is POW. We have the physical machines and mining the tokens, solving the problem, math problems, and mining the tokens. The mining tokens means you solve the problem, you get a reward, and you mine the tokens. In another way, POS, proof of stake. So it uses randomly selected validators to confirm transactions and create new blocks. Participants stake their cryptocurrency as collateral to be selected as validators and create new blocks. POS delegates control of the network to owners of the token, which means, simple language, you have ETH, the token, and you stake to the mainnet. And then you had a chance to get selected and get reward. So you use ETH to mine ETH, not use the machine to solve the math problem to mine the token. Today, Vitalik's net worth is between $1 billion and $3 billion, making him the world's youngest crypto billionaire. And his generosity is evident in his substantial donations. Like I said, he cares about community, he cares about innovation, and not only for Web3, actually worldwide, Web2, Web3, everybody. And he donated $1.14 billion worth of Shiba, that's a meme coin, to India's COVID-19 relief fund.